Do I have to talk now? Okay, cool. So a couple of months ago, we did this whole contest for WTF's cheek. Bleh, bleh. So a couple of months ago, we had a contest for creators, which was called WTF for Creators, as you can see. And today we're going to do something fun. We were like, okay, we can't go and deliver packages to everyone in India. So today we're going to go to the few people in Bangalore who are available after weeks of waiting for them. And we're going to go personally deliver this as a team. Sam is behind the camera and I'm here. Hello. Hi, Ashutosh. This is Meghna here, and we're calling from the WTF team. We just wanted to check if you were at home. Your parcel will be reaching in another 10 to 15 minutes. Awesome. We will see you. Bye. I'm gonna ask him questions about who he is, where he's from. How does he like Tavrikere? Because like Tavrikere is a place that if you're truly Bangalorean, you will know.
I feel like he won't have that much to say.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I feel like he will.
About Tavrikere specifically. Not much.
Dude, but the Kerala mess and
Oh my
the food.
god. Abhi's mess right here. Have to give them a shout out.
Sam,
You should try this.
Sam just had a glitch, guys. Hi Ashutosh, just wanted to check which is your building exactly? Yeah. Ah, okay, I can see you. Yeah. Let's go. I think it's this building. Hi, Kuchu. I can't give you huggy, but I can give you rubbies now.
Naughty, naughty. You teasing me, you naughty, naughty.
Hi. Whoa, whoa. Okay, cool. Careful. Hi. How are you? Congratulations on winning the WTF's Creators Kit. So, how long have you been in Bangalore?
Actually, I came here for a job. So, मैंने job leave कर दिया. And it's been like around 8-9 months in Bangalore.
Oh, okay, what were you doing?
Right now, I'm doing an internship as a social media manager. And earlier, I was in an IT job. So, I left that job for my social media thing.
Got it.
Like social media and content creation. So, I'm
Got it.
ऐसे ही work
After you, whatever you want to do, that's what I said, whatever you want to do.
पहली बार ऐसे कैमरा के सामने unboxing
It's dried flowers. Aesthetics. A lot of people told us, you should have told us you're giving us an iPhone, then we would have just made a reel. And I was like, that's the whole point, we didn't say that there's an iPhone.
How do you get into creating content?
So the thing is, I like watching Ashish Chalani, Bhuvan Bang and everyone. So I thought and I was like a little funny around my friends and everything.
Yeah.
So I thought of doing content and making content makes me happy. So I thought कि ये तो बंद नहीं करना है and I can't.
So you want to be a comedian kind of content kid?
Yeah, comedy, like entertainment in sector.
How old are you, if we may ask?
22. Just December I turned 22.
That's insane. I feel really old, Sam.
Oh no, he didn't.
How old do you think I am?
You look young.
I'm young.
Thank you.
But thank you so much for accommodating us in your house. We just like barged in and like, here, take your kid. So yeah, we hope you enjoy like working with this, and yeah, we hope to see more videos from you, and we'll see more fun stuff. So first house done, we're going to the second one. Hello? Hi, I just wanted to check if you were at home. I'm calling from the WTF team. Awesome. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Whatever be your reason, there's something about the city that makes it so hard to leave. But the weather, bro, is it about bad?
So what is it?
The weather, bro.
I feel like other than peacocks, Bangalore people are the only people who get this excited for the weather. Doesn't it make sense?
I don't know, like once it started raining, everyone was like clapping in restaurants and all. Okay, like that's the kind of. And also, Bangalore rains make you, I don't know, it makes you very like emotional, very like a profound person. Yeah, let's go. Is that? Yeah. A cute party is there inside, I think. Let's do it. We're winging this one. No, we're not, obviously. Hi, Sarana. Congratulations.
Thank you
We
so,
just
so
wanted to
much.
congratulate you, drop the package off.
Thank you. Yes,
Really need
oh
to
my
get
God.
out of South
This
Bangalore.
is very pretty.
I'm glad
Thank
you
you
liked
so
it.
much.
Yeah, we'll tell our designer.
I feel like, okay, the best thing about this for me at least was that sort of tells me that, okay, you're good at it. Like, you can continue doing it. And also at the same time, it feels like childhood Sahana who was in school would be like, hey, good work.
Hey,
Like,
that's
at
so
least,
cute.
Right? So thank you so much.
Of
for
course,
this. It
of
means a
course.
lot. This I'm going to flex.
Yeah. Flex
I
all
need
you
to
want.
put backside and be like, okay, yeah, this is the book.
There's a whole bag with a lot of stuff inside it.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Amazing. Thanks a lot.
Of course. And like yeah.
Shaking with this. Yeah.
I think she's very nervous.
Thank you.
Of course, don't worry. So what what other reels are you planning to make? Like I've seen most of your stuff, so.
Okay. So one of my dreams in undergrad was to sort of go to every state in India and sort of document their cultures or their festivals. So that has not fully happened. Like when I was a native, I tried documenting Yakshagana or we have Pola Nepal that happens, but I couldn't fully do it because of the crowd and I didn't know I was going. But Yakshagana I did try. So, but I want to be able to tell stories about them, read about them, know about them a little better. Thank you so much.
Of course. I hope we didn't like bother you on a
No,
Monday
no,
night.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Awesome.
Thank
so
you
we'll
so
see you.
much. Yeah.
And stay bye to the cam.
Bye. Thank you.
Hi Anchal. I wanted to check if you were at home. No. So we'll be there in like 15 minutes. Does that work? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
You out?
Yeah, I think she's stuck in traffic like us. Whoa, dude.
Whoa.
I want to enter this lift.
Where's the taxi?
Okay. If we die in this lift, we know where we died. Please find camera footage.
First floor.
Hi. Sorry. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
We just wanted to come and give it to you all in person. So yeah. Yeah, you can go ahead and open your parcel for sure. I'm pretty sure you're excited. Do they all know about your video and
Yes,
applying for the contest and all of that?
I've told them like so many times.
How long have you been making videos?
It's been almost a year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. What made you start?
So this was during lockdown that I started, and I was like, I really want to do this because I like creating.
Right.
I like doing something on social media.
And that's how I started. But then I didn't take it very seriously for a few months. And then I was like, I have to post consistently for
Right,
people to
right.
Yeah.
And you're
get
working
that.
right now, or you're studying?
Yes, I'm working.
What do you do?
I'm a lawyer.
Oh, wow.
I'm a lawyer.
Wow. I'm assuming you already know what's in the kid. Has she told you guys about that as well? You can come and join, it's fine. Like yeah. What kind of videos do you make?
I started with art and then like lifestyle, travel, fashion.
Nice. But congratulations, and I hope you create a lot more and
Yes,
do a lot more.
Very
and-
excited. You have to have something.
No, please don't worry at all. Oh my god.
Come on.
Sam,
You need to have.
that's for you also.
I need to get a shot of you.
I can't believe you've done this.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Uncle,
Just a small.
you have spoiled us so much
Has
already.
an air tag, so I can track you later.
Oh my god. The last one, and then we are all gonna go home and sleep. Which direction? What is the address? Hello. Hi, Ria. Which building is your apartment in? What floor are we going to? Hi, Ria. How are you? So, what do you do?
I work as a product manager
Ah,
at
okay.
a food tech company called Hungerbox.
Okay.
Wow, this is so pretty.
I'm glad you like it. We'll tell the designer.
Yeah, it's actually very pretty.
You need help?
Can you also record on my phone? by any chance?
Of course.
Don't mind.
It's dried flowers for the prettiness.
Oh, wow. It still feels like did that happen? This is what I was the most excited about.
Did you know you were getting an iPhone when you were creating the reel?
Not at all. Not at we have spent countless, and when I say countless video calls, and we are like, what would that contain? And we were like, see, it could be till an iPhone 13, like 14 max. Like 15 is not happening. And then we were like, maybe it could be an Android also.
Yeah, sorry if we kept you waiting for anything
It was
else.
amazing meeting you. Like I've
Of course.
seen you a lot.
Thank you.
Man,
That's
super nice
Richard
person.
Sam.
Not seeing you, but I'm sure you're behind the scenes.
Yeah, he's always behind the scenes for now, and then slowly he'll drop some sly comments and all in the video. Yeah.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
So we finished delivering 4 packages today, and that was so wholesome because we met all these cutie people with their cutie families who were so like cute and sweet to us and made us eat food and like just say and said such cute things. So I am done. My social battery is 0 right now, so I'm going to sleep and we'll see you the next time.
Good night.
Good night.